I'm Gemma Campbell and I am a lecturer. And then in my spare time, I'm a local councillor and I represent the Women Ed here in North Wales as well. I'm currently studying a Master's and I have 2 small children. I had a great opportunity to join the pilot Chartered Teacher programme. It became really exciting. I discovered all these different opportunities for learning. I joined the Teg programme to look at the Agile Nation. I'm now a mentor for future chartered teachers. I do lots of training as a local councillor. It's a great opportunity as a female in politics to really progress women in politics, young women in politics. Politics is really exciting and there's great opportunities here in Wales for women to champion women in politics and in education, and they work very well together. I've really enjoyed being allowed to be part of a mentoring programme and be mentored, but at the same time then to become a mentor myself and help others to be and achieve what they want to be and achieve.
I am Amal AlKhatib. I'm from Syria. I worked as a midwife for 7 years. The war started in Syria. I left my country with my family. I came to the UK in 2016. I didn't know any English at all. Learning English has helped me for the life in UK. I can go shopping, I can go to doctor, to the dentist, I can watching TV, I can help my children with their homework. I have a place to study health and social care in September. I hope I can return to work as a midwife in the future.
My name's Katie Bennett Davis and I've been learning Welsh and creative writing. I first got ill when I was 14. I was originally diagnosed with chronic fatigue syndrome, but things have added since then, so that became an ME diagnosis, which then added a fibromyalgia diagnosis and then an autoimmune disease. The illness affected my life massively. I wasn't able to do anything for myself. It felt like I became a child again, really. Things that I were told when I was at university weren't possible. Now those things are happening because of the pandemic. A lot of stuff went online. It hadn't been possible for me to do in person. That has opened up a whole new world for people with long-term illnesses and disabilities. In some ways it feels like my world opened up when everyone else is closed down. I've always enjoyed writing. Fiction in particular is a great way to get people to not only think about a topic but kind of learn to live that topic themselves. Being part of a writers group and being in a Welsh class, realising that I had something to contribute and help other people improve was a massive confidence boost for me as well. It felt full once that I actually had something to contribute. I've realised that I am actually really proud of what I've achieved.
I'm Gumati Shivakumar. I'm a software developer. I work with the civil services, coding, testing, everything that goes with, writing software. I was born and brought up in India. Did my BSc in computer science there as well. It's a very different kind of, learning experience there. I was in India in a joint family setup. It was a large family, everybody under the same roof, so it was 24/7. All my early stages of my married life was just raising the family and making sure everything was okay in that front. We moved here because my husband decided to change his job. I thought I must try and do something for myself. When I first started thinking about going back into the software development, I was very, very scared. I was like, okay, I'm so far behind. I didn't think I would get where I am. Now to think that I've completed my degree with a distinction, I do feel very, very proud, and I do hope I keep going, up and up from here.